Even the mature person can also learn from the younger person, since there is an age difference and there's a generational gap that will be between the two. No questioning about it. Whether loaded,
Nothing added.
not loaded, but submit, mama, with all your cash, with all your Bentley, with all your whatever, submit. Let the man be the man of the house. Let him talk. You are coming to sit with President Trump. You've been seated, signing contracts. But when you come to the house, the husband is the king. Telling you, you know, we have to go for swimming. And the stomach, it is up there. You are 12 months pregnant. And she's telling you have to put on shorts. My dear. The age difference.
Let me feel bored. Good evening, dear viewers. My name is Eva Sewali, and we are here for another beautiful evening. The program is Life Connect. This is a program where we share life together with you. We navigate life together with you. We look at a number of social aspects, child parenting, marriages, and a lot more we cut across. And even this afternoon, or this evening actually, we are here to do the same. We want to navigate life together with you. We know life could have challenged you in one way or another, but please don't die alone. We are here to share with you. I'm not alone on the set. I'm with Mommy Cindy. Mommy Cindy, you're most welcome.
Thank you very much, Eve.
Wow, how have you been?
I'm blessed, thank you. How are you?
Wow, I'm very fine. Our viewers are very ready and waiting to hear from you. Kindly.
Wow.
Say hello to them.
Shalom, shalom. I greet you in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ. What a blessing and honor to be in the studios of Kingdom Media. Here we are on Life Connect, where we navigate life together. I pray that you'll be blessed. Please tell a friend to tell a friend so that you can be able to watch. I believe you'll be blessed tonight. Thank you for watching. I love you one by one.
Wow.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Mommy.
Welcome.
I always love being on the set with you.
Thank you.
Thank you for looking good.
You too.
Wow.
You look amazing.
Thank you, Mommy.
Yes.
Tonight we're going to look at a very interesting but also sensitive topic.
Yeah.
Yeah. And this is none other than the age difference in relationships. These days it is something so common, and it is moving around. It is so rampant. We are like, today we are here to discuss, does it really matter? Age differences, having an age difference in a relationship or a marriage.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's where we are today. I don't know what your take is on that.
Well, I'll start by saying today it seems as if it's rampant, but when you look in old days, what was the order of the day?
Okay,
it's just that the difference of today is the social media.
Oh,
yes,
so
but
it's the
this
social
has
media
been
that is
happening
giving
for
it
years.
a lot of amplification.
Exactly, it has just amplified it, and it's almost on everybody's hand. Everybody's able to see it. It's on a disposal that everybody's able to see that is happening.
By the way, if you see, so during those old days, I think
yes,
it was the order, our grandmothers,
exactly.
our fathers.
You look at I remember my grandmother and my grandfather. There was an age difference, and it was not like a talk. It was normal. Yes. So I think to me, age difference, age is just a number.
Okay.
Though in some cases it matters, but in most cases it doesn't matter, especially when people have matured. When two people are matured and they know what they want, and they love each other, and they have good intentions in this marriage, I would think age difference does not really matter.
Okay.
As long as the two, they are mature, they know what they want.
You have pointed out that the point of maturity is
part,
very important.
yes,
so please don't go for very young kids
course,
who are still in school.
Underage, who cannot decide on themselves. Someone has to think for them and make decisions. I think that's why I also brought an issue of intention. What's the intention behind this? Why are we doing this?
Okay.
There are people with right intentions. There are those who don't have right intention. It's child abuse. So that's why I said in some cases it doesn't matter. In some cases it matters because you can't go for a child who is school going, still underage, because of their challenges, maybe financial challenges and the poverty, and then you take advantage and you want to make that one your wife. I think that's not right. But people who have matured, finished their education, and they're independent, and they're in their right state to make their own decisions, I think it doesn't matter. What matters is these two people, they have the right intention, they are mature enough to make their own decisions. Yeah.
Okay.
So age difference is just a number.
Wow. Age is just a number.
Just a number. Though in some cases, not just a number. It has to be considered and looked at. Say, what could be the reason? Why is it like this? I've seen people who are marrying because of a visa.
Okay.
We have seen that. The intention is not about love. The intention is not about staying together and having a family. But the intention is, what do I get? What do I benefit from this? So I wouldn't want to go like, but we have seen these things happening where you really see that surely, truth be told, there is no love here. But it's about calculations. What am I getting? I don't care. I don't care if this woman is way older than me, like a grandmother. I'll go for her. All is because I want to go the other side and get visas. Then at the end of the day, you cause pain to someone, which is not a right intention.
Sometimes it also comes with intentions.
In there, it has intentions. Sometimes it has intentions where people, what am I getting after? What am I targeting? What do I want? Okay, I am not here because I want a family. I am not here because I love this person the way she is, but I'm here for what I can benefit. What can I benefit? The woman is way older. The woman
is like
really
your grandmother.
Exactly. You can't even expect her to have a child, maybe the age she is now. And then you're like, okay, I am going to silence all my conscience. I'm going to silence all these other things.
Because of this
as long as I get the visa, as long as I get my papers, as long as I get this, then that one is not right.
Oh, okay.
Yes, because at the end of the day, this one will do it wholeheartedly and being deceived, thinking that, okay, I'm in love, and she might be genuinely in love, yet yourself you are not in love. Yes, so I think if the intentions are okay and there is no hidden agendas and someone is genuinely in love, though there are challenges here and there that we're going to look into, but I would think if people are mature and they can make their own decisions, I think age is just a number, because we have seen it working for some people.
Yeah.
Yes.
And after even seeing that it has been the order of the day, order of the times, it is not something which is so alarming, unless when it is too much.
Of course, there are times when it's too much. Really.
There are times when it's really too much. Like just as you have just pointed out, when someone is marrying their grandmother, that becomes.
I think
too
we have
much.
seen it of late when. It was all over the social media when someone was marrying almost his grandmother. And definitely, if without entering in people's business, because the Bible says mind your own business anyway, but being genuine and truth be told, you can literally see that their intentions behind this, their agendas behind this.
All right, there is one which happened some time back. It was a world issue. It was not here in Uganda. It was a world issue. It was some president.
Oh, France.
Okay, I feared to mention the country.
I think those ones, they are very open with it. I think it was his teacher or something like that. I think they are very open with it, and they are proud of their relationship. Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay, so that one really makes it that it's just a number. Okay.
Exactly. Yeah, because this is a president. But he's marrying a woman way older than him. But when he was interviewed, it's like, I genuinely love this woman. And I feel like she's my wife and I want to marry her. And they are here, they are married and seem to be happily married.
If other factors are telling, age shouldn't hold your hands. Okay, mommy.
Because you can see a level of a president. For someone to be a president is wise. Someone to be a president is knowledgeable. He's in the right senses. if you can be a president of a nation,
and you can get anyone else he wants.
You can get anyone else you want. So we can see that sometimes it is genuine and people have gone for it. Because you can't tell me that president, he was under influence, there was what he was looking for. Really, you would get still a young girl if you wanted. But that was his choice.
That was his choice,
and he wanted, and he's settled in his marriage. Not because he was looking for any other thing, but he really wanted a wife. And to him, that's the wife he wanted. And they seem to be happily married.
Wow.
Yeah.
Mami, I think it is also wise now to share a few benefits. What could be some of the significances if someone married someone who is maybe slightly with age difference? Yeah.
I think one of the benefits is learning together, growing up together. Yeah, when someone is mature and is married to a younger one, I think it's one of the advantages that you grow together. As this one is matured, is able to lead this one into, you see, it gives opportunity to learn.
Okay.
If someone goes in this marriage with right intentions, like we live around the bad intention, but the right intention, they love each other, someone is able to learn from the mature person, okay, this is how things are done. And if you don't look at the other, like the negative side of it, and you look at the positive side of it, this one can take an opportunity to learn and be and allowed to hold a hand and to walk together. I said, this is the way to go. As you look at this is the direction we are taking. And this one is able to look at this person and say, okay, if he's doing this, I think I can do this. You copy, you learn, and it helps you to grow. To me, that's one of the advantages I see, that it gives the opportunity of the one who so called the younger one to learn from this person. Oh, things are done this way. So it's able to do this, I can also do it. And if it's done in love, you are able even to nurture this person into what you want him or her to be. That, okay, as I'm the mature person here, this is the way we should go. And this has to be humble enough to learn from this mature person. Even the mature person can also learn from the younger person, since there is an age difference and the generational gap that will be between the two. Definitely there's this generation, maybe because for you have matured, you might not understand the things of this generation, but because you are living together as husband and wife, you are able to learn from this other person, and this one is also learning from you. So I think it gives a learning to both people, if both of them, they're positive to this relationship.
Mami, while you were giving us that point, it just took me back to something, most especially which is common here. If we're looking at our African traditional societies or African backgrounds, there is a way they tend to put this to, it looks so much into genders. Because if we've been looking at the fact that this is something not new, it is something which used to happen even from way back. But what was happening way back during our grandfathers and our parents' times, it was so much on the side of the male gender. So they used to be comfortable to give this young lady or young girl to this older man, who would maybe nurture this person, mentor them, teach them one or two things. But these days, the modern age difference is now...
Yes, I think I concur with you that in this generation, what is so different is that is now in both genders. That as much as way back, it was actually the lady was always younger than the male partner.
That is the normal bit of it.
The new era now, exactly. The new era now is women are more older nowadays than the men. So I think that's what I concur with. That's the difference now.
There is that kind of difference, and I'm wondering whether these days kind of
Ladies.
I mean, for example, if it's the lady who is much more older and the gentleman is younger, I'm wondering if that aspect of learning can happen. Men are egoistic.
Exactly.
Can they?
But the fact that you have accepted to marry an older woman, humble yourself and learn.
From her.
Bishop said it's a multi-purpose. Someone says for him he has given up on elders, especially in our church, who want to intervene in people's relationship. You, how old are you? You, how old are you? Why are you marrying an old woman? He said someone is looking for a mother. Maybe the mother died when he was very young, has never enjoyed the mother love, and is looking maybe for an auntie, is looking for a sister. So it's multi-purpose, and is looking also for a wife. So you have married a young one. Be humble enough
to learn from your mother, from this elderly person.
Yes, when you remove the coat of a lover, now there's a coat of a mature person now leading you the way. We don't eat like that. We don't talk like that. She has been talking over the years before you were born. She has traveled before you traveled. She has seen it all. She has met people. So humble yourself enough, because the fact that you have come in and the woman is way older than you, definitely there's a time you're going to act as a mature person in this relationship and tell you, excuse me, you don't sit like that, sit properly. You can't be eating and you are talking at the same time. And for you, see yourself as a man and a husband in this marriage.
Now the
like,
man
who are you to
that
talk
egoistic character come out? Like,
that's the only worry I have. That's the only worry I have in most relationships that where there's that age difference, and it's the man who is younger. In most cases, there are challenges because men have that ego in them.
Actually, I think the normal bit that we are used to, which actually looks normal, is when the woman is younger.
When the woman is younger. But it's because so amazing that in this generation,
like,
things are
some
changing.
of the reasons why people marry mommy, one of them is security,
of
and
course,
many other things. And
that's for women. Women in marriage, they're looking for security. You know, so it's more understandable when a man is way older.
Yeah, that's okay. That gets okay.
And that gets okay because you're looking for
what
security.
What has been happening even in our old times with
and
our
it sounds to be okay. But in this generation where things are changing every day and so many things are happening at our watch, where we see a man, like we have just talked about the president, the whole president, leaves all the young ladies out there with their nicest bodies, he's so young, so sexy and all that. To him, it didn't matter. He had to go for the woman he thought, this is the woman I needed. Yes. And you don't know his reasons why he went for that. To him, he saw that's the most beautiful woman in his sight. That's the most woman suitable for him. And he went for her. He has his own reasons. And we want to thank God it's one of the marriages that are standing. But it might not be the case for everybody, especially when you bring the fact of the ego, where a man feels like, I am the man of the house, I am the head of the house, I should speak.
It takes a lot of some good submission.
And I'm wondering a woman to submit in that kind of relationship. I think now we're jumping to the challenges that comes with such a relationship.
Okay, let us reserve them for further
so let's
discussions.
not run ahead of ourselves.
Let's not run ahead of ourselves.
Because honestly, when you look at that, it comes with so many challenges. But I'm getting
but it also has some benefits. Okay, there is some bit of learning, most especially.
Exactly. The learning part of it and the strength, where you say, okay, my weaknesses, where you discover your weaknesses and discover his strengths, and you are able to complement, to come together as one and become that team where you say, okay, there's this mature person in this relationship who is able to build us together. So I think as much as there are challenges, there are also few benefits.
Yeah, the benefits are there because there is also, just as we have seen the learning bit of it, there is also some of the emotional benefits, whereby we have seen a younger couple or a younger partner bringing some bit of refreshness in this elderly partner's life.
Right.
Women look younger when
They are loved.
When they are loved. And men
I just
also
don't know why you never wanted to bring it there. But that's very true. I think love is a beautiful thing. And I think everybody deserves to be loved. Even that man seemed to be an old man.
Actually, I don't want to say women, but that person who is loved.
Who is loved, eh?
Yeah, looks younger,
exactly.
their life changes.
Yeah. So that's what I think. Love is a beautiful thing, and everybody deserves to be loved. You know, when someone is loved, you are really able to see. Let me give an example. Someone said this, I don't know how true it is, but it might be true, that a woman who is not loved and is in a position where is a manager or in authority can bring chaos in the company. I don't know how true it is, that they become so dramatic, they become so quarrelsome, they are so tough.
Because they're not loved.
They are not loved. But a woman who is loved and is in that position, authority position, and is loved, is a manager, you see the way they relate with everybody.
This one can be so tough. He can't let anything go. He's so picky on everything.
And he makes an issue where there are no issues. He's so picky, so stressed.
The issue is that this person is stressed.
So they bring the stress to the office and just makes everybody's life miserable because of the emotional part that people don't know, but it's that person who knows. So love is a beautiful thing. I think God is very wise. The reason why he brought love, I think God realized the world we are living in, where it's a challenging world. Let me say something. In this challenging world where you have gone through a lot of stress, you've gone through a lot of struggles, challenges here and there, and then you go back home and you find this person who loves you and is able to encourage you. I think God looked at that and said, okay, it's better for a man to be joined with his wife. A man shall leave his family and be joined to his wife, and they become one flesh. I think God had a reason, knowing that these two people, when they live together in harmony and live together in peace and in love, and then they're able to relate with other people out there. I can't just imagine you are going through whatever you're going through, but again you go back home, it adds up on what another challenging environment, and it's not conducive. It is just tough, a toxic relationship. It can be just a world which is just upside down. But this person who's able to love you and stand with you, I think you are right when you said it gives that emotional support, where someone is able to feel loved and appreciated and carry on their pieces and start running again. So, yeah.
Is it also a fact that it can bring some bit of financial stability? Because in most cases, because someone has lived a bit longer, I'm just thinking loud, so I think he has worked before, he has accumulated some bit of wealth. I think it stabilizes. Does it bring in some bit of
to some people it does, stability? Because somebody has been there for years, he has some achievements, he has worked, he has some experience.
Other than where both of you have just started life, you're just trying to put things together.
Though on that one, I still have 50-50.
Okay.
Because I still bounce you back to the president. He was financially stable, but still had to look for someone way older than him and settled. Okay, someone can say it's 1 in a million. Okay, there are also those ones who are not looking for the financial support, and but they have found love. I think people are looking for genuine love.
Even when it is not the reason why you entered there, but if it is found, like if it comes as a
one
benefit,
of benefits, okay.
I think it's okay.
It is okay because it's a benefit.
Yeah, it may not be the reason why
you are there, but it's one of the benefits.
It's one of the benefits.
Yeah, you become the beneficiary.
He's experienced, or she's experienced. She has lived, she's been around for some time. She has gone through much. She has jumped the hurdles you've not jumped. So in one or another, I'm just thinking loud.
No, I think I agree with you. There's where it helps in financial stability, where someone has walked the journey before and has been able to settle, and then you're coming in and maybe from the struggles, you don't really start on zero.
You don't start from
scratch. Zero. Yeah, that's right. That's true.
Wow. This is interesting. Actually, just as you said that it is being amplified by social media, but the ones which is being amplified by social media is this other for this other gender. The new one where now a woman is
way younger, way older
than
the man.
Wow,
Yeah.
there are so many other factors. To our dear viewers, we want to thank you for always watching Life Connect. We are learning just as you are learning. There are so many factors that are considered in marriage. But today we have been looking at, or we are looking at the age factor. We are discussing the challenges, the significances, or that come along with age difference in marriage, age difference in a relationship. Many people are out there with age differences. Yeah, in the past session we say that this is normal. It has just been amplified by social media. But what is normal that I was telling my my guest here is for an older man to marry probably a slightly young lady because of their egoistic stuff and what things can work out. But these days it's even things have changed. It is now older women. Okay, guys, mommy, we are back into the show. I'm so reserved on this topic because
why
stones people I fear to be stoned, most especially on this other part, which is new, which is coming up, and it's very new. The new era of now older women.
We're just discussing a topic.
Okay.
It's a topic. It's a general topic which has nothing to do with individuals.
With anybody. Yeah. By the way, we are
Yes,
not
because
looking at
this
any
is Life
individuals.
Connect. Life Connect does not discuss people.
Yeah, we are not.
We discuss topics.
Yeah.
Yes. So.
We want to look at the challenges. It looks a bit challenging sometimes.
Yeah, you have just reminded me. One day I had a conversation with my staff, and one of the ladies in administration made a joke as like, for me, no, I cannot go for an older man, because if I go for an older man, before I know, my back, before I know, diabetes, before I know, high blood pressure, before I know, no, stretch my leg, before I know, I feel like I want to sleep, I'm very tired, I'm very exhausted. No, who has that time to run with the tablets up and down? So it's like, no, me, I'd rather go for a young one. And we're like, okay, which age difference are you talking about? Say, for me, I'd rather go for a young boy who is still energetic. Was his energy, not to go for a man who has no energy. The thieves come, I'm the one to worry about him. He can't even... He's the one to protect me, but I'm the one to protect him. Imagine if I have a young man, he protects me, and I need security. So that was that discussion. So the challenge that comes with age difference in this case
but again, that was also a two-way. Because when I'm looking at security, I'm also looking at an instance when I have a young boy in the house and I'm the big mama now. I'm the eldest, I'm the big mama. I'm supposed to protect the young boy. He's like...
But the young boy is energetic, my dear.
And if it's like my son, I have to protect my son.
Yes, son, so but your son, do you know you can give birth to a son?
For me, it's about security.
And the son comes.
I don't have security.
Listen, there's a time when you give birth to your son, and the son becomes even the person to protect you.
Okay. Yes.
Where your son is now, he's not older than you, but he has grown.
He's more energetic.
He's more energetic. And it's like, Mommy, no, be aside, I'll stand and I'm going to be the one to talk. Okay. Mommy, be quiet, I stand for you. You know, sons with their mothers.
All right.
Yes, so at this point, he's standing as a son and protecting.
I rest my case on that.
They cannot beat you when the son is there.
I rest my case.
So the challenges that comes with this, that the energy levels are different. The energy levels where the older one might be now becoming tired, and this other one is more energetic. She's a young girl. For her, she has all the energy to dance, and is telling you, please stand up and we dance. And for you, are like the back, the legs, everywhere it's paining. And this one, she's still in that mood where she feels like,
these days
I want to experience life. You know, so there's also this part of generational gap. The gaps are different, and it's big. And this one wants to go out for movies. She wants to go boat riding. She wants to go for skiing. She wants to, different other things for the young age.
Yeah.
And one was like, no, me, I want to be
can't
at home.
stay. I can't stay out.
She wants to be on TikTok and all that. And for you are like,
these days, just
I
imagine you are in different. If you're in different generations, you are in the analog and she's in digital age. You can be disappointed.
Social media.
You can be disappointed.
She's really a technology person. For you and your own word, you want to be in the prayer mountain. January to December. For her, December, she wants to go to Dubai.
She wants you to take a selfie and upload it on.
Exactly. And she's telling you, we have to go for swimming. And the stomach, it is up there. You are 12 months pregnant. And she's telling you have to put on shorts. My dear. The age difference.
And then feel bored,
and becomes so boring, and you are totally different people. And she's telling you, let's go for the movie.
As you feel bored, the other person feels like this person is so demanding.
I'm actually seeing me as a nagging person. She's a nagging wife. She's so young. Her mindset is young. She wants to go for shopping. And for me, I'm planning to build. So even the conversation, sometimes it does not match. You are discussing contracts. For her, she's discussing cosmetics.
I'm telling you.
My pedicure, my manicure. I feel like I need to go. And you are discussing projects. And your conversation is not carrying at all. It's not matching at all. One of you is going to get bored. One of you is going to go mad.
Because, he doesn't or she doesn't understand what you're talking about.
Let's go for a pizza, and for you, saying, I need matoke, well mashed, well put in the banana, whatever. And for her, and he's looking at she's like, no, darling, today there is buy one for free and get one for free. Buy one and get one for free. Let's go for pizza.
And like, the other is like, for me, if I don't eat matoke,
I said, today we are not cooking, we're just doing noodles.
Just imagine.
So life becomes different. Today we are doing jeans and t-shirts. And my dear, you are suit to January to December.
I'm telling you. Before you know it, she's just there with her cameras. Take away your cameras, please.
I don't want to be on social media. Why she's a social media person. So it becomes that boring. The conversation, they don't tarry. The likes are different. The goals are different. You are aiming this, she's aiming the other side. And for her, I think that's the best thing to do in life. For you are talking about we have to go in the village.
You're talking about retirement. She's just fresh into building her career. She's just starting life.
I'm finishing this and I'm going for masters. And for you are talking about retirement. Who's talking about retirement when we are going for masters, real?
Of course. And
I'm going back to school. I'm like, she's going back to school.
To do what?
To do what? At this age. So you are talking about this. She's talking about a party.
And if you want, you want to match, or he or she wants to match, he's also maybe thinking, maybe I would also take a course. But you're looking at taking a 4 years course again. And after you're done, what are you going to do with that? What are you going to do with the course?
Already you have high blood pressure, but you want to add more pressure with studies, with the books, reading, sitting the whole night.
I'm telling
and she's telling you in the morning, let's run, exercise.
Wow.
And my dear, you woke up today, So age different, it comes with all those challenges. Where this one is more lively, more energetic. Seeing this, you are saying, my dear, we are going to Paris, and then we are going to the village.
Whoops.
To check on the cows. Who's talking about cows now? Who does that? So we are going to check on the cows. The other farm.
The farm,
we have to check on the farm. We have to check. So for this one is planning investment, and this one is still experiencing life, exploring life.
Yeah.
And for you are talking about investment and huge investments. So the conversation at a certain point, it does not match, and the marriage becomes so boring. That's when you realize. Someone said, I married a very young girl. She's very young. This one, I married a very old man, very old. And she wanted to hold the hands in the public, and once you are embarrassing
you are embarrassed.
You are so ashamed of even giving a kiss in the public.
And for that's what it means to be loved.
And for her, that is love.
That's what it means to be loved. Because anyway, that's even what she sees on the in movies. And she wants movie love.
Movie love.
And for
me, I even tell her point blank, don't expect to give you movie love, because I'm not a movie. Allow me to be me. And I'm going to give you the way Masaka people do it. I'm a Masaka man. It's like, who's talking about Masaka man here? I expect some romance in the marriage, some love. And all those things are not there. So it comes with all those challenges.
So that's a big
generational gap. The age levels, energy levels are different. The goals are different.
Yeah, the goals are different.
And you have to live together.
Wow. Viewers, we are still talking about age difference in marriage. We've seen challenges, there are quite a number. Health, lifestyle, mentioned by a few. We are still discussing. I know you also have that other experience. You can share with us. On the platforms running down. Even the dress code.
It goes to dress code. What to dress.
Because
dress. This one looks to be, it says he's an older man and there's a married a young girl. The young girl's like, I want to be in my jeans. I was like, who does
now
jeans?
For you, you're like, no, I don't want jeans here.
Remember the circle of friends.
Wow.
Because he's already way older, the friends are also older. They're old. The friends of this one are younger because she's young. She's going to see her friends in jeans. She's going to see her friends in leggings, in shorts, short dresses, doing these different hairstyles which are trending, kind of makeup, kind of eyelashes, all those things, going to the beach, boat cruise and all that. Enjoying life, chopping life.
The only time you have is for your contracts, your businesses.
Even when you say go out, you go out in a suit.
That is even now terrible. Excuse me, mommy.
That's the reality. We have to look at. You're going out in a suit.
How you dress in a suit and now you're going out?
What's the difference, Mama?
Okay.
You can't even put on a t-shirt. You feel
you
like
have to be smart. You have to be smart all the way through.
Because when you start to go in a lower standard, go in a standard of dress code, and you're going to dress jeans, you're going to think about how your friends are going to go. Hey, this is how you're dressing nowadays. So you're going to be embarrassed.
Yeah, you fear to be judged by the society.
By the society.
Yeah.
The society, how they think about you, what they are going to say.
By the way, society can judge.
Give you pressure.
Yeah, it can
and they can judge. The way they look at you, the way they will talk about you. So everything now is in the back of your mind before you make every decision. To take your wife to salon and sit, they say, they hold you. You sit in a salon.
As if you have nothing to do.
As if you have nothing to do. For us, we are busy here discussing business. For you are sitting in a salon with your wife. But your wife, that's love. That's
what
romance.
she considers.
And that's what her friends at the same age are doing. The husband has no problem to escort his wife, to do the massage, to do the sauna, the steam bath, the pedicure, the manicure. And he's there and he's just paying money. They are chopping life. My dear, and for you now, your friends are calling, hey, where are you? I'm taking your wife to salon. Can't you give her to a driver? Age difference.
Age difference.
I was like, okay, I think as much as I love her, but I have to respect.
My
age.
My age and the I have
to respect the society. And to start to hear them talking about that. I have to respect my age.
I have to respect my age.
And the society and what people will say. So you're going to live your life now controlled by society. Yet the other one who are the same age, maybe just few age difference, they're very okay. And the society is expecting them to do that. And they're not worried. And that's the life they are living. So one of you is going to live in a regretting life. Maybe I made a mistake. Maybe he's too old. Maybe she's too young. Maybe she's too old. Because now, even when she's old, the other challenge is to take her to your parents, to your friends, and everybody start commenting, hey,
she's too old.
she's too old. Even though now because one of you has got to match another. One of you has to compromise for the marriage to match.
And families,
and
most
families
especially here in Africa,
in family gatherings, they might not talk, but the eyes, they will look at you when you are walking in with your mama.
I've seen it a number of times. There is a time when one of my cousins married someone who was older, but the way the sisters could look at this woman, they could look at her in family gatherings as if they want to swallow her.
And that look alone, they are talking a lot.
They're not saying anything, but the way they are looking at women you.
I don't want to talk. They have talked a million words. Let's keep quiet. Me, I'm not going to talk. In that one, they have already finished you. They have talked about your age. They have talked about menopause. They have talked how you failed to give birth. They have talked about you having sick here and there. They have talked how you're going to be controlled in that marriage.
Yes.
They have talked how you're going to be a boy in that marriage. You will not be respected. So it is a million words.
Actually, they were so much concerned about the controlling. This woman is now controlling you.
Because whenever you marry a woman and is older than you, what runs in everybody's mind, you're going to be controlled in that
You're
marriage.
going to be controlled. You're going to be controlled.
You will not have a say.
You won't have a say.
They will decide for you.
And it even becomes, it becomes, too much if this woman has some kind of, is more wealthier.
And in most cases, they have the money. In most cases, they have the money. Because money alone, money, money is good in a way that money can beautify somebody. Money can open a door for somebody. Money can create a way for somebody. In most places, in most cases, it has opened a door. It has connected. It has beautified. It has changed the shape. Change the look. It almost gives like 90% of what you are looking for. So in most cases, they have the money.
Okay.
The only thing with all that money they are lacking is love. Now here is somebody who's looking for love. But looking for love and also looking for other benefits.
For other benefits, yeah.
And they're found in this person.
Okay.
So it's a whole package. But now the society, they're able to say, there is money, it's very true. But will you have a say in that marriage?
Will you have a say in that marriage?
You're just going to be controlled. You'll be the one, go and wash dishes, please.
But
can't you see we're finished eating? What does it take for you to realize? I was talking to your husband, but what does it take for someone to understand dinner is saved and it's done? What does it take? First of all, you bring nothing
on the table.
And you're supposed to be the husband to be respected according to the Bible.
Actually, that one becomes
so that's why many people get worried as family members, because they're looking at their son. Will this son of ours be a man in this marriage? Will he even say anything? Will he be able to visit that home?
Will this woman
the way we are seeing, will this woman submit? Or he's the one to submit?
And it is tricky because
she'll come at 1 a.m. and say, will you raise the voice? Where are you coming from? The next question is, so you wanted me to come home at what time? If I come at 7, who's going to pay the rent?
Okay.
So I'm coming at 1 because I'm looking for money.
So
that one is enough for you to keep quiet.
So you are controlled.
And that's the word of every family member and every mother.
Yeah.
Will say, oh my God, as much as my son has gone, but will he be a man? Because that's what is expected for a man in a marriage. Will he be a man? Will he make any decision?
In his house?
So those are challenges that comes with it. The society, how they look at you, the community, your family members, the friends. There's going to be a lot of judgments, which sometimes is not even true. You might not be
controlled
as the way they are thinking. The woman might be ready to submit as much as she's old. Like, okay, I'm old, but I'm able to submit. This is my husband. I'm able to give him that kingship he deserves.
I'm wealthy, but I'm ready to submit.
Because as much as I'm wealthy, I can't marry myself. I still need, but it takes an extra bone again.
When someone has it all,
it takes God. When someone has it all and she knows he's in authority.
It takes God for someone to submit when they're the ones who pay
The
for school
pocket
fees, they
is
pay
loaded.
the rent, they have
Because
it
at the end
all.
of the day, she's asking herself, what is it that I cannot do for myself?
And what is it that I'm submitting to?
I'm submitting to what?
What is it that I'm submitting to?
Because I don't see it. I'm the one providing. I'm meeting all the bills. Forgetting that marriage, what will make a marriage is the wife to submit. What will make a marriage is the man to love, according to the Bible. If the marriage is going to work, despite you having all the money, despite you being young or being old, but according to the Bible standard, that's how it's supposed to be. A man, love your wife as Christ loved the church. Wife, submit to your husband. No questioning about it. Whether loaded,
Nothing added.
not loaded, but submit, mama, with all your cash, with all your Bentley, with all your whatever, submit. Let the man be the man of the house. Let him talk. You are coming to sit with President Trump. You've been seated, signing contracts. But when you come to the house, the husband is the king. Will you be able to give him that reverence? Will you be able to submit to him? Will you be able to recognize him as a husband? That will be the question. But otherwise, age is just a number. But the question will be, are you able to be in your position as a wife? Are you able to be in a position as a husband if there's an age factor?
Wow, thank you so much, Mani Cindy. There is a lot to learn.
That's right.
Life Connect, we are actually navigating life together with you. Mami, we want to look at other factors that matter, because we have said, okay, yes, age is there, and it is sometimes maybe on some people's list when they're looking for partners, but it is not the only guiding factor.
That's right.
There are other factors. We've seen people at the same age, and somehow marriage is not working out.
It has not worked, that's true.
And we have seen people with age differences, and their marriages are working out.
Yeah.
So I think at this point in time, it is also wise to put it out to our dear viewers that it's not only that one factor that matters. What are some of these other factors that are so important that can make a marriage work despite your ages?
I think first of all, people need to understand what is marriage. If we all know that what is marriage, and especially us who are born again, that is a kingdom marriage is different from any other marriage. In this marriage, God has to be glorified. At the end of the day, it's about God. It's not about me, it's not about him. As much as you and me were the one in marriage, but at the end of the day, is God factored in this marriage? Is God glorified? It's not about how I feel, it's not about how you feel, it's about the big boss who have joined us together. If that is understood, then each one of us, we are able to do what we are supposed to do for this marriage to work. As much as I am loaded, as much as you are older, or as much as I am older, but it's God factor. The way I am going to treat you in this marriage, the way I'm going to live with you, is it a godly way? Is it a Bible way? I think if that one is understood by all parties, then our marriages wouldn't fail. Our marriage wouldn't face all these other issues. So the other thing, we need to understand that the challenges today is many people don't understand what is marriage. We want to do marriage our own way. We want to do marriage based on the feelings. How do I feel? Which feelings comes and goes at a certain point.
Yeah. They can't last forever.
You cannot marry because of emotional things. Because I feel connected. I feel I'm deep in love. I feel like it's the right person. How about the day you will not feel? What will happen? The day you feel for the other person, because beautiful people are still being born. Handsome people are still being born.
There is some author who wrote that the beautiful are not yet born.
They are not yet born. So if it's about feeling how you feel, every day you're going to be feeling differently. The day you go
before you know it, you'll feel different.
Exactly. There's a day you go back home and you don't have any feeling at all. Especially as who are married, you can say it publicly and you tell people, if you're going to get married and you think marriage is all about feeling, there's a day you go back home and you don't have any feeling at all. If it is not Christ who is in helping you in that marriage, you feel like I'm walking away. Because you don't feel like, you don't feel like to be there, but you remember I'm a born again Christian, you remember Christ, and you remember why you are there.
And there is a time when all circumstances will dictate you vacating this relationship.
That's very true. So if only people can understand what is marriage, then marriage will work out very well, then marriage will succeed. And knowing that age is just a number, we have seen people who have connected very well with age difference, and they have worked together, and they have recognized and they have understood their position, and they have realized age is just not a factor to us. It's just a difference. But me, I remain a wife, he remains a husband, and we have managed to handle ourselves, and people have managed to handle themselves, and their marriages have worked. Even those who are having almost 2 years age different, and they're not managing because they're failed to understand. So I am closing by saying, if you are there and you're watching and you're not yet married, and you're like, now I have to make a decision, it's up to you. If you feel like you will not respect an older woman, don't go for her.
Okay.
If you feel like you will not love her and treat her like a wife according to the Bible, please don't go for it. If you feel like an older man, you will not be able to stand an old man. Because an old man will come with a history. And you're not able to stand it, don't go for it. So you still have a choice to choose. But who is already married, you don't have a choice. Go with what you have. And I also want to close by saying, not everything you dream of is what you're going to get in marriage.
Okay.
That's a lie of the devil. You dream of this handsome man with a six-pack, who doesn't have a history, who is just handsome, has all the money, is so... There's no marriage which is standing today say, oh, I married a very handsome man, that's why my marriage is standing. There's no marriage just standing with that.
Actually, after some time, someone forgets whether they married a handsome or beautiful woman.
There's
they forget
no marriage
all that.
there's no man who can come out that my marriage is standing because I married the beautiful woman. It's a lie. All people hear that my marriage is standing because I married a God-fearing woman.
Okay.
My marriage is standing because I married a God-fearing man. God is helping us in this marriage because at the end of the day, God will help us. We are human beings. It's only God who's helping us. So if you have already made a choice, you are already married, please try to make sure your marriage works. Don't compare your marriage to another person. Leave your marriage. If you are married to an older man, don't compare your marriage to those who are married to young men. You are different. Leave your marriage. Settle in your home. Work. Make sure that yours will work.
Yeah.
Stop living other people's marriages, because I've realized many people are failing in marriages because we want to live somebody's marriage. That is them. And there's a way they want to live their marriage. For them, they want to be at the beach every Saturday. That is them. They feel like if they do that, and you don't know why they are going. Some people, they go to the beach, they remind each other where they met. Remember when the day we were fighting on this beach? That's why I brought you back here. For you just, these people every Saturday they are on the beach. Don't they go there to remind themselves the day they were fighting? They almost drowned each other in the beach. Or maybe they met on the beach. So I'm closing by saying, please don't leave other people's marriage. Live your own marriage. You don't know why people do the things they are doing in their marriage. Some people have their history. It's where they met, the things that transpired. You were not there. Live yours. You only know your marriage. You only know your husband. You only know your wife. I pray that your marriage will succeed. If you're having issues, I pray that the Lord will help you to reconcile and to have love again, rekindle the love, and pray that God will help you and you'll come out of it. I wish you a beautiful marriage. The Lord bless you. I remain Pastor Cindy Kiganda.
Thank you so much, Mommy. The program has been Life Connect with me, your host, Eva Sewali. Catch up next time.